Hey guys, so today is going to be a short tutorial about how to create pattern in Midjourney. So imagine you want to create a website for a client, for example, with a nice background with an image that repeats itself. That would be a pattern or a tile. So in Midjourney, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is create your image. So for example, here I'm going to go for a collection of fruits and vegetables, and I will have it monochromatic and sketching. All right. And here, if I just did that, I would have a normal image. But here, if I just add the parameter tile, Midjourney is gonna create an image that repeats itself. So let's wait for the results. So here, for example, I would create an image. I want to create a website for a farm, for example, let's say, and I would like to have, this kind of nice background you can see with fruits and vegetables. Yeah, exactly like that. So here I like the second image. Let's say it looks pretty good. Up, and so here I have my pattern. So of course here I only have one set repetition of the pattern. So here I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna save the image, up, save, and then use it in a software like this. If I take my image, up, make it a little bit smaller, you will see that let's just use, all right. It repeats itself. Why is it not sticky? All right, okay. So here you can see it repeats itself on the side from top to bottom, up. And like this, just like this, I can have a nice pattern, up, tuck, 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 tuck. It should fit perfectly. All right, and so here, and I have my background. So of course, then you can, maybe this is a bit too much for a background, but you can, of course, take the image you want. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any question, please ask them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this one. In the meantime, I wish you a very good day and see you in the next one.